This is a Country Boy Mods production.
Everybody. So pretty much what we got here, I'm just going over everything, see how it's holding up from the weather and stuff. But overall, it looks good. It looks really good. No chipping or nothing. It's just been survived through ice and all types of weather you can think of. Like you can look here on the side, it's still holding up. The VHT nightshade tint. The wheels are holding up. Um, actually, surprisingly, the roof is still holding up actually pretty good. I went back and redid it with the turbo paint. And I recommend the turbo paint on the roof. But overall, everything is still holding up on it. No cracks, no chipping, no fading, or nothing like that. So it's coming all together. But like I said, I'm very proud that it's still holding up good. You can see the door handles, they still look intact. Still look like I just did the paint job. You see the tail light tint here, it's still crisp and clean. Even the back bumper here, got that good. The fence is still looking good. Everything looking good. Only thing about the emblems, I'm gonna go back and redo them. I might just go ahead and just plastic dip them later on, who knows. But right now it's okay. As you can see, the pillars are looking good. The roof is looking excellent. Who knows, later on tonight, might go through another freeze. Might get some freeze rain coming through. But I just want to give y'all an update on the car. Make sure everything look good. So, just the update. Peace out. Y'all take care.